So David here with Guide Recommended. We are on the water. I'm going to start a new series called Fly Fishing Odyssey. Been struggling with trying to get some content out on this YouTube channel. And I thought, you know what, let's just go fishing, right? It doesn't have to be tough, doesn't have to be complicated. Let's just get out on the water, cast a fly rod, and see if we can catch something. So I am at a local little lake trying to continue my streak of fishing once a week for the year of 2024. Pretty little water lily over there. This is the first time I've been to this lake. It's rumored to have some good largemouth, but I really haven't been able to scour it the way I'd like with this wind. Probably better to come out in the evening. So I've been just waiting for the gusts to stop. I'll poke myself out into the wind, use that to get me a little bit downriver. So we just paddled into the wind a little bit. And I'm hoping we got some structure based on the shoreline. It rises pretty quickly behind me, so I'm hoping it drops off deep. So we got a little, just saw a little turtle. That's probably most of the wildlife I've saw today. I did see an osprey. Some folks are starting to get their lawn work done. I'm guessing it's about 9:30. It's a beautiful day. It was chilly this morning, probably 60. I had a jacket on while I was casting earlier. Let's see what can happen. 7-weight fly rod. I got a little red and white popper on. Actually got a 9-weight line on this rod. Just looking for something to punch out these bigger flies. It's going so quickly with this wind, tough to fish. All right, so 3 casts in, 4 casts in. There we go, finally got a little something. I don't think it's much of anything though. Probably a little bluegill. Yeah, we're gonna take it for the win. Little guy. Got some structure coming. Hoping for some good structure right here on a little bit of a point leading into a bay. All right, did I find a little lucky charm? I think we got a lucky charm in the boat today. But this wind is just biting me. So I think we've got a mascot for our fly fishing odyssey. A slow day on my first fly fishing odyssey trip, but I kept the streak going once a week so far this year. One little bluegill. I'm gonna take it though. It was a windy, tough conditions. And I want to remind people that I got my Fishy Friday newsletter. Folks, thank you for sending in those pictures. It is just amazing to get those pictures from all over the world. Keep those coming. Stay tuned. We'll be on the water again and think like a fish.